Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. This is GBPAUD. So let's check the date and the time first. So I'm going to refresh. Currently it is 2:11 p.m. Tuesday, 7th of July 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart. This is 4-hour time frame, GBPAUD. This was your resistance. So we have left the resistance and we have to go down. So for now, my take profit is this black line around 1.910 and the entry is at the current price. So we will enter right now and expecting 160 pips plus in this trade. So TP is dynamic. I can exit early as well if I want, or depending on the situation. But for now, we are going down. We'll take short, or we have taken the short already and at the current price, and this black line around 9100 is my take profit. So I'll come back and record the take profit video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video, and let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh this. Currently it is 2:24 p.m. Monday 20th of July 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart, GBPAUD 4-hour time frame. I think we had been in this trade for a couple of weeks. Okay, so I think this had been running for 13 days. And I decide when do I want to exit. Okay, so I don't know what did I tell you in the beginning of the video, but we entered somewhere maybe around 9266 around this candle here. Then we had the opportunity to exit here. I did not exit. Then we went up, which is fine because I know where is my stop loss, or I don't even use stop loss. If you know what's going to happen, then you know what to do. Anyways, there is a trick. Okay, if your account can survive drawdown, stuff like that, which I'm going to teach you anyway. So what we got here? So we entered somewhere here, and I have decided to exit manually around 91 something. So let's check the trade here. So this is it. We entered at 9266 and we are out at 9179. So we made 87 pips in this trade. Okay, that's all, I guess. Money is money, Now some people would be 2 weeks. We have to hold the trade 2 weeks. We don't know what's going to happen. Well, you don't. I do. I know what's going to happen. That's why I hold my trades and walk away. So coming back, I think we have made a new low. So this will take a pullback and this might go further down. But I think we had been waiting for 13 days already. So I am out of, I am out of the trade with my profits. Okay, so that we can go and enter other trades as well. So cool. For those people who know what's going to happen, it's pretty cool. For those who don't, it's pretty sad. Okay. So just like here, you see, this was your resistance. We left the resistance. We retested the resistance. We came down. We retested. We came down. Simple. Anyways, swing like a pro. Link in the description below. Join the program. Then only I can help you. Help yourself. Join the program. I'll see you inside. Otherwise.